Welcome, dear friends, as we embark on a shared journey of self-improvement. In the pursuit of personal growth, we often find ourselves contemplating not just progress, but also discerning which aspects or individuals may impede our path. Have you ever reflected on how certain people in your life might hinder your pursuit of becoming the best version of yourself? It's a consideration worth exploring. In today's exploration, we delve into the theme of how specific friendships, broadly categorized, can significantly influence the trajectory of our goals. In our contemporary, fast-paced world, where everything seems transient, the wisdom of Stoicism shines a light on authenticity, resilience, and personal development. Stoicism teaches us that, at times, the strength to move forward lies in the act of letting go. Our aim is to identify relationships that, instead of serving as anchors, function as mere dead weights in our lives. Through the lens of Stoicism, we seek to navigate relationships more effectively. Consider the power you wield over your mind, recognizing that it is not external events, but your reactions to them that shape your journey. This acknowledgement unveils strength, echoing the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, a renowned Stoic philosopher. Have you ever found yourself having to part ways with toxic friends? If so, how did it impact your life? We invite you to share your stories, experiences, and thoughts below, fostering a community of shared wisdom. For those joining us for the first time, consider subscribing for more thought-provoking content and motivational insights. Here's a challenge for you. If you discover value in today's discussion, commit to implementing at least one insight into your life. Stay tuned for the remainder of the video if you're up for the challenge. Let the transformative journey commence. Number 1. The Promise Breaker. In life's journey, trust acts as a guiding compass. However, in a world where words are often spoken lightly, trust can be shattered by those who make grand promises without intending or having the capability to fulfill them. This type of friend weaves persuasive but empty assurances, leading you into a whirlpool of disappointment and mistrust. The promise breaker may seem charming, creating a constant cycle of promises made and broken that leaves you emotionally drained, fostering a sense of unreliability and instability in the friendship. While everyone may break a promise at some point, the promise breaker turns this into a habit, disregarding the feelings and expectations of others. It's crucial to discern between realistic promises and mere mirages. A genuine friend makes genuine, realistic, and achievable promises, putting in sincere efforts to fulfill them. If dealing with a promise breaker, communicate openly about your feelings. A true friend will take steps to amend their behavior. But if broken promises persist, it might be time to reassess their value in your life. Remember, a true friend stands by their words, showing up when needed. Surround yourself with individuals who value their words and understand the essence of reliability. As we move forward, stay tuned for more empowering insights on this journey of life. Number 2. The Drama King or Queen. In life's journey, we encounter a variety of characters, including the drama queen or king, individuals adept at turning ordinary situations into theatrical spectacles. Thriving on chaos, these individuals can disrupt our well-being, making it essential to safeguard ourselves. Life is intricate, filled with successes and failures, joy and sorrow. Constant turmoil should not be the norm. Drama queens or kings tend to magnify negativity, turning minor issues into major catastrophes. This can harm our mental and emotional well-being, pulling us into conflicts beyond our control. The constant tug-of-war between unnecessary drama and our peace of mind can be taxing, but it's crucial to remember our power to step away. Setting boundaries and prioritizing peace of mind is vital. Open communication about their behavior is essential, as people may not always be aware of how their actions affect others. If the drama persists, consider the option of cutting ties. Your mental and emotional well-being is paramount. Surround yourself with those who bring positivity, calm, and balance into your life, choosing friends who seek resolution rather than conflict. Ultimately, as the director of your life's drama, cast only the best players. Number 3. Danger of the negative Nellie. In life's journey, we often encounter individuals who act like dark clouds on a sunny day, consistently casting shadows regardless of the sun's brightness. Negative Nellies, with their inclination towards spotting the negatives in every situation, can significantly impact our mental and emotional well-being, as highlighted by the Stoic philosopher Epictetus. Epictetus once noted, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them," emphasizing the distorted worldview of negative Nellies. These individuals focus on downsides and disappointments, often overlooking the positives and joys life offers, influencing our perspectives in the process. Addressing this doesn't necessarily mean severing ties immediately. As a good friend, one may attempt to guide them toward a more balanced perspective, emphasizing positives and sharing optimistic angles. However, if the negativity persists and hampers personal growth, reconsidering the friendship becomes essential. In a world that demands energy preservation, it's crucial to surround ourselves with positivity, inspiration, and growth-inducing individuals. Seeking authentic friends who offer constructive critique while helping us see hope in every situation contributes to our mental and emotional well-being. Personal growth and happiness hinge on building a circle that fosters optimism and resilience, steering clear of negativity. Remember, while you can't control others' perspectives, you have absolute control over how you let them affect you. Choose friends wisely, as the right company provides strength not just for survival, but for thriving. Echoing Marcus Aurelius's wisdom, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Number 4. Dealing with a critic. Living in an ideal world would mean encountering individuals who consistently serve as pillars of support and encouragement. However, the reality often deviates from this utopian vision, and certain friends, fittingly labeled the critic, can prove to be less uplifting. Instead of fostering confidence, they specialize in undermining your self-assurance, leaving you feeling diminished and small. These critics, with their discerning eyes, seem to discover fault in every facet of your life, whether it's your chosen career path, lifestyle decisions, or even your sense of fashion. Nothing appears to satisfy their lofty standards. The critic doesn't merely stop at observation. They persistently belittle your accomplishments while magnifying your shortcomings. This relentless stream of criticism can take a toll on your self-esteem and overall mental well-being. It becomes imperative to discern between constructive criticism intended to foster improvement and personal growth, and the destructive variant designed to degrade and belittle. Unfortunately, the critic tends to lean towards the latter, often fueled by their own insecurities or jealousy. If you find yourself entangled in a friendship with the critic, the initial step involves expressing your feelings. Communicate how their words impact you, as they may be oblivious to the effect their criticism has on you. If they genuinely care about the friendship, they will comprehend and modify their behavior. However, should the criticism persist despite your efforts, you might face the challenging decision of distancing yourself. Ensuring your surroundings are filled with positivity and people who uplift you becomes paramount. You deserve friends who not only acknowledge your successes and efforts, but also provide support during your failures. It's crucial to be vigilant about the energy you allow into your life, recognizing that your environment significantly shapes your self-perception and overall happiness. Cultivating an environment with positive influences is instrumental in steering your journey towards becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, every small step you take, irrespective of its perceived magnitude, contributes to the continuous evolution of yourself into the person you aspire to become. Number 5. The one-sided friend. Throughout our lives, we encounter a diverse range of individuals, each with their unique qualities. Among them, we may come across a specific type, the one-sided friend. This friend predominantly takes, rarely gives, and centers every interaction around themselves. It's crucial to grasp the significance of avoiding such individuals, rooted in the fundamental principles of reciprocity and mutual respect. True friendship thrives on a balanced exchange, and a one-sided friendship disrupts this equilibrium. These relationships can leave us feeling drained, unappreciated, and undervalued. Friendship shouldn't be a monologue, but rather a dialogue. When we share our problems, seek advice, or simply need a listening ear, we should be able to lean on our friends just as they lean on us. One-sided friends often overlook this principle, forgetting that friendship is a two-way street. Seneca, the philosopher, highlighted that one of the most beautiful qualities of true friendship is understanding and being understood. However, if understanding is only one way, the beauty is lost. A friend monopolizing conversations and turning every situation into a narrative about their own problems or achievements denies us the empathy, understanding, and mutual exchange that form the bedrock of any healthy relationship. It's crucial not to confuse a one-sided friend with a friend going through a difficult time. While there may be moments when our friends need us more, an ongoing pattern of self-centered behavior is toxic. If you find yourself in a one-sided friendship, it's essential to address the issue through open communication. Express your feelings and give your friend a chance to change their behavior. If things don't improve, you might have to consider whether this relationship is worth your emotional investment. Always remember that you deserve a balanced, reciprocal friendship where your feelings, thoughts, and experiences matter just as much as your friends. Surround yourself with those who understand the importance of give and take, as these are the relationships that will truly enrich your life. Number 6. The backstabber. In our life journey, we encounter various people. Some enhance our experiences, while others diminish them. Beware of backstabbers, disguised as friends with hidden agendas, capable of betraying trust through rumors, divulging secrets, or tarnishing your reputation. Such actions inflict not only hurt, but also significant damage to personal and professional life. Genuine friendships are built on trust, loyalty, and mutual respect. Compromise leads to relationship breakdown. True friends uphold trust, respect privacy, and speak positively in your absence. Backstabbers exploit vulnerabilities, leaving you betrayed. If in their company, confront with open communication. If behavior persists, reconsider the relationship. Your peace of mind and dignity are too valuable for a fraudulent friendship. Surround yourself with those valuing trust and reciprocating loyalty. It's better to walk alone than with a backstabber. Choose uplifting relationships, valuing yourself on this life journey. Opt for positive connections as we listen and grow together. Number 7. The user. In the intricate journey of life, we encounter a diverse array of individuals, some acting as sources of inspiration, while others exploit our kindness. This discussion delves into a specific category of friends, the users, individuals who only surface when they require something. These friends seek favors, advice, or support, yet conveniently vanish when you find yourself in need. This unbalanced dynamic can leave you feeling emotionally drained and undervalued. Genuine friendship, in contrast, is a collaborative endeavor marked by mutual respect, shared experiences, and reciprocal support. Should you observe a friend consistently reaching out only when they need assistance, it is crucial to express your feelings. They may not be aware of the impact of their behavior and could potentially strive to be more present and supportive. If the one-sided pattern persists, it may be worthwhile to consider creating distance, surrounding yourself with relationships that are positive and reciprocal. You possess the agency to select who enters your life, cultivating connections that are mutually beneficial and grounded in respect and reciprocity. It's imperative to recognize that your self-worth is not solely determined by what you do for others. Choose friends who reignite your inner passion, echoing the wisdom of Albert Schweitzer. Embrace the reality that you deserve respect, love, and mutual support in all your relationships. Begin this journey today by immersing yourself in the company of those who uplift and inspire you.